Hey, this will be a video chart on WAMUQ, Washington Mutual. If you follow my videos, you know I've done this one numerous times. And like I've said in past videos, this one is probably the most famous penny chart for just making crazy moves and for making people just quick, big amounts of money. Here was a good example. Here, it's down here the next day, it gaps and runs. Of course, it pulls back. Here was another miniature move. And then today, being the latest of an absolutely crazy move, gaps and then runs, and then pretty much maintains its gain. So just the latest in many of a long list of crazy moves. But I got questions on it today, and I can see why. And the chart did some great things today, so I want to get it mapped out from the daily chart perspective because I do know that there's still many people that are playing this for more of a longer term view and not just for a quick day trade or quick swing trade or anything like that. So the first thing that the bulls accomplished today, which was very attractive, was if we look down here at this orange line, this is the 200-day simple moving average, and you can see that multiple times the price has tried to get above it and just hasn't been able to. Here and then the past couple days, again, try to get above it but couldn't. So this just shows how much of a resistance level it was, and now today the price is above it. So going forward, the key level, and I'm just going to call it the must-hold level. If this move has any sort of true, genuine strength behind it, then the 200-day simple moving average should not have any problem holding if the price pulls back down to right around this 0.077 area. I'm not saying it will, but if the price does, this level needs to hold. If not, we can just simply look back at previous history. You can see the last time when it gapped up above the 200-day, it pulled back, was not able to hold right here, and then when the price did try to get back above, basically 3 out of 4 days it could not, and then eventually sunk all the way back down here. So this 200-day is a very important level support-wise. Now, in terms of, and I guess I should note, usually I point out more than one support level, but that's the only one I'm going to point out because it's a crucial level, and that's the key one that you should keep your eyes on. Now, in terms of resistance levels, I'm just going to create a little resistance zone, the top of the zone being up here at the high of this candle, which was at 0.114. So let me get this changed to red to represent resistance. And then I'm going to mark off the top part of the resistance zone, and this is actually kind of a little bragging point for us technical people that use charts. I'll get to that in a second, but I first want to get this pointed to red. But if you see here, today's high was 0.121, so 0.121, and then if we look back here all the way to July 27th, the high on that day was also 0.212. So this is a classic job of a chart doing a good job of forecasting where resistance levels are going to be. So there's definitely some sellers up here right at 12 cents. There were some back here in late July, and there are still clearly some here right now in December. So that's definitely going to be a key level. This is a key level too, but this one more so. So actually, what I should have done was made this a little thicker because it's looking like this level is going to be of more importance than this one. But overall, the key resistance zone is going to be up here. And besides that, really kind of in no man's land in terms of resistance and support levels. Big channel essentially between the 200-day and then these resistance areas up here. But so I'm sure there's going to be plenty of swing traders and day traders in here that are going to be trying to play the swings. But like I said, for the long-term players, as long as this 200-day simple moving average holds, and that's going to be the name of the game and what you want to see from your perspective. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was WAMUQ. Thanks for listening.